Jai Hind. Today we are presenting one of the greatest social reformer of India, Sant Kabir Das. Now a beautiful quotation of Kabir Das, and after that the video will be started. पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जुग मुआ, पंडित भया न कोय, ढाई आखर प्रेम का, पढ़े सो पंडित हो. So let's start the video. Now biography of Kabir Das. Kabir Das, a mystical poet and great saint of India, was born in the year 1440 and died in 1518. According to Islam, the meaning of the Kabir is something very big and great. Kabir Panth is a huge religious community that identifies Kabir as the originator of the Sant Mat sects. The members of Kabir Mat are known as the Kabir Panthis, who had extended all over the north and central India. Some of the great writings of the Kabir Das are by Bijak, that is Hindi, Bijak, Kabir Granthawali, Anurag Sagar, Sakhi Granth, etc. It is clearly not known about his birth, but it is noted that he was raised by a poor Muslim weaver's family. He was very spiritual and became a great sadhu. He got fame all over the world because of his influential traditions and culture. It is considered that he got all his spiritual training from his guru named Ramanand in his early childhood. One day he became a well-known disciple of Guru Ramanand. Kabir Das house has been accommodated for students and scholars for living and studying his great works. There is no clue of the birth parent of the Kabir Das, as he was founded in Lahartara, a small town in Varanasi, by the Nehru and Nima, means his caretaker parents. His parents were extremely poor and uneducated, but they heartily adopted the little baby and trained him about their own business. He lived a balanced life of a householder and mystic. Now Kabir Das teaching. It is believed that he received his spiritual lesson from Guru Ramanand of Sant Kabir. Initially Ramanand did not agree to consider Kabir Das his disciple. Once upon a time Sant Kabir Das was laying on the step of a pond and was reciting the mantra of Rama Rama. Ramanand was going to bath in the morning and Kabir came under his feet. Ramanand felt guilty for that activity and Kabir Das ji urged him to accept him as a student. It is believed that Kabir Das family still lives in Kabir Chaura, Varanasi. Now something about what was Kabir Math. Kabir Math is located at the Kabir Chaura, Varanasi and Lahartara, that is in Varanasi. In the back passes a ways where saints are busy singing Kabir ke dohe. It is the place of giving real education of life to the people. Nehru Tila was the house of his parents, the Nehru and Nima. Now it has become the accommodation for students and scholars who study Kabir Das work. Now philosophy of Kabir Das. Sant Kabir was prejudiced by the existing religious mood of that time like Hinduism, Tantrism as well as the personal devotion was mixed with the imageless god of Islam. Kabir Das is the first Indian Sant who has coordinated Hinduism and Islam by giving a universal path that could be followed by both Hindu and Muslims. According to him, every life has a relationship with two spiritual principles, Jivatma and Paramatma. His view about the moksha was it is the process of uniting these two divine principles. His great work Bijak has a huge collection of poems that shows Kabir's general view of spirituality. Kabir's Hindi was a dialect simple like his philosophy. He simply followed the unity in God. He has always rejected the Murti Pujan in Hinduism and shown clearly confidence in Bhakti and Sufi ideas. Now something about poetry of Kabir Das. He had composed the poems in a concise and simple style, resonating with the admiration of factual Guru. Although being literate, he had written his poem in Hindi, mixing some other languages like Awadhi, Braj, and Bhojpuri. Although many people insulted him, he never gave attention to others. Now, legacy of Kabir Das. All the poems and songs created to the Sant Kabir exist in several languages. Kabir and his followers are named according to poetic response such as banis and utterances. The poems are called Dohe, Slok, and Sakhi. Sakhi means to be memorized and to remind the highest truth. The memorizing, performing, and pondering over these utterances comprise for the Kabir and all his followers a way to the spiritual awakening. Now something about Kabir Das' contribution for country. Sant Kabir Das, a Bhakti and Sufi movement saint of medieval India, and extremely for his Bhakti movement in North India. His life cycle is centered in the religion of Kasi, means also known as the Banaras or Varanasi. He was related to the weaving occupation and caste of Julaha. His immense contribution toward the Bhakti movement in India is considered as a pioneer one along with the Farid, Ravidas and Namdev. He was a saint of combined mystical nature, means Nath tradition, Sufism, Bhakti, which made him a distinctive religion of his own. He said that the path of suffering is the real love and life. In the 15th century, people in Varanasi were strongly influenced by the Brahmin orthodoxy as well as learning centers. Kabir Das worked hard to preach his ideology as he belonged to the low caste Julaha and made people realize that we all are human. He never felt difference among the people whether they are prostitutes, low caste or of high caste. He preached to everyone by gathering his followers. He was ridiculed by the Brahmins for his preaching activities, but he never criticized them back, and that's why he was much liked by the common people. He started reforming the mind of common people toward the real truth through his couples. He always objected to the ritualistic and ascetic methods of as mean of salvation. He said that godliness Rabi has more value than the Rabi mines, according to him. One's heart with godliness include all the prosperities of the whole world. A person with mercy has strength, forgiveness has real existence of him, and an individual with the righteousness can easily attain the never-ending life. He said that God is in your heart and ever with you, so offer inward worship to Him. He had opened the mind of common people by one of his example that if the traveler is not able to walk, what can the road do for traveler? He opened the deep eye of the people and taught them genuinely to nation of humanity, morality and spirituality. He was a follower and promoter of the Himsa. He had turned the people's mind of his period through the revolutionary speech. There is no real proof and clue about his birth and family. Some say he was from a Muslim family, some say he was from a high class Brahmin family. There was some disagreement among people related to the Muslim and Hindu about the funeral system after his death. His life history is legendary and still teaches human being and humanity. Now something about the religion of Kabir Das. According to Kabir Das, real religion is a way of life the people live and not made by the people own. According to him, the work is worship and responsibility is like religion. He said that live your life, complete your responsibility, and work hard to make your life eternal. Never go away from the responsibility of life like having sannyas. He appreciated and valued the family life, which is the real meaning of life. It is also mentioned in the Vedas that living life by leaving home and responsibility is not the real dharma. Living as a householder is also a great and real sannyas, just like Nirgun Sadhu, who live a family life, work hard for their daily routine, bread as well as chant the name of God. He was given the people an authentic fact about what is the religion of human being one should have. Such preaches of him has helped the common people understand the mystery of life very easily. Kabir Das died in Kasi in 1518. That's it. Jai Hind.